Civil engineering is the backbone of civilization. But the way we design, build, and maintain our world is undergoing a massive digital revolution. For decades, engineers relied on blueprints and manual calculations. Today, artificial intelligence is taking the wheel. But will AI replace civil engineers or make them superhuman? Welcome to Channel Name. Today, we're looking at how AI is fundamentally changing civil engineering in 2026. Imagine giving a computer a list of requirements. A 4-lane bridge, 500 feet long, able to withstand Category 5 hurricanes. 10 years ago, an engineering team would take weeks to create one perfect design. Today, with generative design AI, the computer doesn't just check your design, it creates hundreds of optimal designs in minutes. AI can analyze every possible variable, material strength, weight, environmental stress, and find solutions a human might never think of. The result? Safer, cheaper, and more sustainable structures. What if we could fix a bridge before it ever cracks? That's the power of predictive maintenance. Engineers are now embedding smart sensors in new critical infrastructure: dams, bridges, power plants. These sensors feed real-time data back to AI models. The AI can predict when a component is likely to fail, months or years in advance. This allows for proactive repairs, saving trillions of dollars, and more importantly, countless lives. The future of civil engineering isn't about AI replacing humans, it's about a new kind of partnership. Engineers who can harness the power of AI will build a world that is more resilient, efficient, and inspiring than ever before. So, are you ready for the engineering future? If you found this insight valuable, hit that subscribe button and join us as we explore the technology building tomorrow.